Here's Ricketts. He wanted to play the advantage there, Mr. Matheson, and he's given the free kick in the end. Rowan Ricketts sinned against by Kevin Watson in the end. It's teed up for Bothroyd. Oh, against the upright. Potter retrieves. Oh, and it could go anywhere. It surely must. Oh. Well, Bothroyd and Craddock both with efforts, but somehow coaches to hold on. Oh, Garcia. Well, real wasted opportunity. Watson's corner, Baldwin's flick. Teasing it into the path of Bothroyd. Ricketts. Well, Ricketts has worked the opening. Now Olofinjana. Oh, that is a stunning save from Davison. Well, the goalkeeper has certainly earned his corn there. Well struck by Olofinjana and an excellent save. Ricketts will win the free kick from Garcia. Ricketts kick, and it's in! Jay Bothroyd on the near post. Teasing delivery, which Bothroyd made the most of. And the breakthrough comes. Could be trouble here. Is it to strike? Well, that is a superb save by Matt Murray. Well then, opportunity here for Davis. Oh. Whisker away, Davison getting something on it. And Davis denied.
A minimum of 4 minutes, time allowed, 4 minutes.
An excellent run, struck it well enough. Just creeping wide.